guys, Dorota Pańska, international nail artist and educator here, and I'm in with Marley. It's a time for a new set, and I think this subject is quite important because you ask me these questions quite a lot. And the question is the fiber gel soakable? No, it's not, and I like to actually, I prefer to file it rather than soaking off. And let me talk a little bit. So basically her natural nails are extremely long underneath, so it will be difficult to shape them nice. That's why I'm just trimming them, and it's quite easy to do so. You have to watch it to don't crack the gel on the nail bed. So you can see it, I'm not trimming it right down to the natural nail, I'm just trimming the end. This set was actually quite nice. Marley is always wearing a black nails, so we are going to get rid of them and being those ends. And the filing, I mean, obviously it's a real time, so guys, honestly it just doesn't take as long. And the reason why I prefer the filing is first of all, it's not making your nails softer under when you soak off the product. Imagine this way, we are doing a set of the extension on the nail which is soaked into the acetone. And acetone is a solution which will remove your product, like make it, which will soak off your product. And then you are applying a fresh set of the extension over the nail which is soaked into this acetone. That might cause some lasting issue as well, I would say, because it takes some time from the natural nail to get rid of this acetone, so the acetone evaporates fully. Usually when we dehydrate the nail plate, the dehydrator works about half an hour, and I would assume it would take about half an hour to get rid of the acetone from the nail plate before we can apply a new set. So that will really extremely prolong my set time, while here I can just file it off, and then the nails are straight away ready for the application of the fresh set. So that's definitely the main reason. Now, when I'm filing, I'm using the K38 e-file, and I've got the safety bit. I also got a wee pink cap to protect my e-file from the dust. And what I'm doing is, the speed is not too high, like I've got the speed 16, and I'm just filing away, first of all, the biggest bulk of the product, like just a gel polish really. Okay, once I have filed that, I can lower my speed a little bit to 14, and I can move on and do the second round of filing. So this time I'm going to file the biggest bulk of the gel, but still keep something on the natural nail. Just the biggest bulk. And also, because I have swapped the fingers, I'm filing like from one finger to another finger, my client doesn't feel the heat fraction because we are giving the nails a couple seconds of the rest. Obviously, the bit produces some sort of heat if we file too long in one place. So the thumb has quite a lot of product still, so a couple more movements and then I can go back to another one. This one is almost ready, so I'm really careful with it. So does this one, hardly any product in there, tiny bit more in here, tiny bit in there, and then finish off the thumb. And after that we can swap into the hand file, and the hand file will be also a preparation of our nail plate for a new set of the extensions. So I don't know how long it took me, but it's definitely longer to soak it off than file it off, like for sure, because they are basically almost ready. So now I need to just shorten the free edge and file a little bit from the top. Again, I will be jumping from nail to nail, to don't cause the fraction heat. And this file is extremely sharp, so I'm only filing the biggest bulk again. And then I'm swapping to the smoother file. We need to move things so the camera catches. Okay, so shorten the natural nail again. And now gently, because we are almost at the natural nail, just file the rest of the product. And this way the first nail is free. So you can see it, guys, it honestly doesn't take as long. And some of these parts, like what I'm doing now, is a preparation of my nail plate into a new set of the extensions, so you would still have to do it when you're soaking it off as well, and also you still have to open up the product to soak it off as well. The nails feels much harder and stronger as well if they aren't soaked off. Quite often when we soaked off, we maybe don't wait long enough, and we're causing pressure and scraping the product off from the nail plate too strongly with the metal cuticle pusher, which can cause even more trauma, not drama, but that's kind of the same to the nail. See this one, I will clean it completely, so no product left in there, and the nail looks really nice and healthy. Like underneath there isn't any white spots like you would get sometimes if you do soak off the nails. So guys, I do really highly recommend it, this way of removing the nails. And gel polish now, the gel polish, especially, no, let's finish the gel. Sorry guys, I'm getting overly too excited. So the hard gel, the gel is filing really nice and soft. It's not like an acrylics, which takes much higher pressure and stronger movements of your hand to be able to file it. The gel, especially this gel, files really nice and easy. Is really soft to file, so it doesn't take as long time as the acrylic would do. And when it comes to the gel polish, that's what I wanted to say it as the next thing. Gel polish, we don't soak it off anymore either. We just apply a slightly thicker layer of the base gel and just file it right down to the base gel, keeping the base gel on the natural nail and just kind of like almost filling it up. And our clients' nails are much better than when we're soaking off. I'd like to compare it. This hand is basically the product is removed. But what I wanted to say in the video is it took me too short time. I've got too much to say. So imagine comparing it to the hair. If you would, like the acetone will be almost like a stripping the color off from the hairs, and that isn't healthy either. So I do really prefer filing, and I hope you have guys really enjoyed this extremely short video with a little bit of theory on the extension removal. But look at those nails, like they're really nice and strong. Actually, Marley's nails are better after wearing the extensions than before she started, isn't it? They're so much better. Like even when you touch them, like look at your thumbs, like
They don't bend anymore.
yeah, they don't bend anymore. So over how long it will be now? So nearly 2 years. Her nails just got better, and we're doing a removal every third set. Okay guys, I'm sending you glittery hacks, and don't forget to subscribe if you're new here, because there will be a new video of those Christmassy or New Year-y or a wintry set, we don't know yet, for Marley, in black probably, isn't it? Oh yeah, black. Okay, glittery hacks, guys, bye!